without using a calculator work out, and you must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. 1 whole 3 by 4 minus 11 over 12. This is equal to 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4 and minus 11 over 12. Multiplying the first term with 3 over 3 times 7 over 4 minus 11 over 12. This is equals to 7 3 the 21 minus 11 over 12. So this will becomes 10 over 12. Cancellation can be done. This is 2 5s the 10 and 2 6 the 12. So this is equal to 5 over 6. And this is in simplest form.